Hello to all my lovely vehicles of grade 3. I graciously welcome you in EVS class. As you all know, in the previous session of EVS we read about professions, people who help us at home. They are housemaid, gardener, driver, and people who help us in our community. For example, doctor, teacher, greengrocer, tailor, barber, cobbler and plumber. I hope you have gone through these topics carefully, and I also hope that you have done your home assignment neatly. Now we shall start with the topic people who work for our country. The main objectives of today's lesson are to learn about the work done by soldiers to protect our country and to develop gratitude and awareness towards the work done by soldiers. Now students, I want to ask you, have you ever seen movies like Lakshya, Border, Uri and Ghazi Attack? They are amazing and worth watching. I have seen these movies. They were soldiers and they fought very bravely. They protected our country from enemies. I suggest that you should also watch these types of movies. They will definitely generate a feeling of patriotism in you and you will be motivated. So students, apart from all the work that happens around us, a very important work is done by our soldiers, which is to save us and our country from outside danger. India is a big country with many neighboring countries and we need to protect our country from outside dangers. This work is done by our armed forces. This is the flowchart of Indian Armed Forces. It includes Army, Air Force and Navy. Army is the force that protects our land. Air Force protects through the sky and Navy through the water bodies. Now come to page number 58 of your EVS course book. People who work for our country. Put today's date here and read it. Soldiers. Our country has many neighboring countries. With some of these countries, we share the boundary or border of our country. Our country is surrounded by seas and ocean. See here, this is the map of our country, India. हमारी कंट्री की बहुत सारी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ भी हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल पाकिस्तान, चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, म्यांमार, बांग्लादेश एंड श्रीलंका. और इन कंट्रीज़ के साथ हमारी कंट्री अपनी बाउंड्री या बॉर्डर शेयर करती है. हमारी कंट्री सीज एंड ओशन से भी सराउंडेड है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल बे ऑफ बंगाल, द अरेबियन सी एंड द Indian Ocean. Soldiers and armed forces, who are also called officers, protect us from any danger that may come through land, water or air. Soldiers और armed forces जिन्हें officers कहते हैं, वो land, water और air से जो भी danger आता है उससे हमें protect करते हैं. Now, first of all, we will read about Air Force officer. Air Force officers protect us from dangers that may come through air. They are a part of our Indian Air Force. They fly fighter aeroplanes. Air Force officers एयर के थ्रू आने वाले डेंजर से हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. ये ऑफिसर्स हमारे इंडियन एयर फोर्स के पार्ट हैं और ये फाइटर एरोप्लेन्स फ्लाई करते हैं जब कोई एनिमी हमारी कंट्री पर अटैक करता है उनसे फाइट करने के लिए. Next is Army officer. Army officers protect us from attacks on land. They are a part of our Indian Army. They fight with guns and other arms. Army officers हमें लैंड पे होने वाले अटैक से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. वो हमारी इंडियन आर्मी के पार्ट हैं. वो गन्स और दूसरे वेपन से फाइट करते हैं. Naval officer. Naval officers protect us from dangers through seas and oceans. They are a part of our Indian naval force. They stay on ships that have many fighter guns and arms. नेवल ऑफिसर्स सीज और ओशंस के थ्रू आने वाले डेंजर्स से हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. वो हमारे इंडियन नेवल फोर्स के पार्ट हैं. वो ऐसी शिप्स पर रहते हैं जिन पर बहुत सारी गन्स और आर्म्स मीन्स वेपन्स हों और उन्हें वो एनिमीज़ के साथ फाइट करने में यूज़ करते हैं. सो टुडे वी हैव रेड अबाउट people who work for our country and they are called soldiers. Soldiers or armed forces are of three types: Air Force officer, Army officer, Naval officer. I hope you have clearly understood today's lesson. Your home assignment is Let's Try 4 from course book. Let's try 4. Our soldiers work very hard to protect the boundary of our country. They stay at the border for months and many times do not even get to meet their families. There must be many retired Army, Naval, and Air Force officers. Make beautiful greeting cards for them with your family members and post them with the help of your parent. आपको रिटायर्ड सोल्जर्स के लिए एक ब्यूटीफुल थैंक यू कार्ड बनाना है. बट आप अपने घर से बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास, इसलिए फैमिली मेम्बर्स की हेल्प से आप ये ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाकर पोस्ट कर सकते हो. काइंडली डू द करेक्शंस इन योर बुक्स ऑल्सो. दीज आर सम सैम्पल्स ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.